This episode of My Two Satoshis is brought to you by BitGet.com. BitGet is one of the fastest growing derivatives exchanges with 1.5 million users worldwide. Available to U.S. citizens, BitGet offers USDT margin trading and one-click copy trading. With over $5.6 billion in trading volume per day, you should start trading with the fifth largest global crypto exchange today. BitGet.com. Link in the description below.
This my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah.
It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another My Two Satoshis crypto news video. Today we're going to be looking at a big milestone. This actually came out last month, but it was actually a fake news article. This time it looks like it's real. Walmart is deploying over 200 ATMs to allow you to buy Bitcoin. So we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to give you my 2 Satoshis on it. I think this is a decent move in the right direction, though I still feel like there's confusion about the utility of Bitcoin. So I'm going to explain what I mean by that in today's video. We'll take a quick peek at the markets as well. We got a slight bounce off of the $60,000 support area. I'll let you know what I think is going to happen next. All that coming up on today's episode of My Two Satoshis. Let's get it. But before we start, if you guys find these types of videos informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. All right, let's take a look at the heat map really quickly for today. The weekend, it looks like a slight bump up in the markets. We got Bitcoin up today, almost 1%, trading at 61,189 bucks. It is up off those lows or support level we see at $60,000 Bitcoin. I talked about that $8,000 print we had on Bitcoin, only on Binance.us though, on yesterday's video. If you missed that, definitely go check it out. I'll have a link in the description. But yeah, Ethereum back over $4,000, trading at 4,100. And we've got Solana down slightly today. It's been on a tear though. Doge is up crazy, 6.1% today. So overall, I think we're seeing a slight bounce back in the markets. Telos, one of my favorites, doing very well today, up 8.2%. Trading at $1.06. Listen, this is still cheap. I was buying Telos and telling you guys to buy Telos at 2 cents. Yes, 2 cents. They're making a lot of headway when it comes to the Telos EVM. That's the Ethereum virtual machine that allows you to basically run Ethereum on Telos with no gas fees, frictionless, under 1 second block times. So this is definitely a move in the right direction for Telos. And you're going to see a lot of Ethereum developers port over to Telos once this EVM is launched. And I think it's launching very soon. This is why you're seeing this coin go ham right now. Even though we see small pullbacks in the market, this thing has just been going up and up and up and away. Not trying to shill it. I'm just telling you, I've been telling you to get this coin. Maybe you'll listen now. I don't know. It is an EOS.io blockchain. So, I'm big on that. But anyway, Bitcoin is still trying to figure itself out at this point after the breach that we saw on that trend line. That was a very steep trend line, as I told you the other day. You can't keep and sustain those types of trajectories. That had to be broken at some point, and we finally did. But at this point, I'm telling you, I think $58,000 might be still on the way. And then from there, we can figure out 55,000 is the next level I'm seeing. Those two levels, 58,000 and $55,000 Bitcoin, should be areas of support for us. But let's talk about this whole Walmart situation. Just came off the press yesterday, and I thought this is a pretty interesting topic simply because just a month ago we saw there was rumors of this happening, but it was fake press, a fake release, and it was really about Litecoin being added to Walmart, or Walmart accepting Litecoins. And that was false news. That was fake news. And subsequently, we saw a pump in Litecoin. And after we found out the news was not real, we saw Litecoin collapse on that. This time, though, this is real news. We do have Walmart quietly beginning to host Bitcoin ATMs. So the retail giant is offering Bitcoin through 200 of its Coinstar kiosks in a tie-up with crypto ATM firm CoinMe. All right, this time it is real, ladies and gentlemen. Shoppers can purchase the cryptocurrency at any Coinstar machine inside the retailer's big box stores. A CoinDesk editor verified that the service works, buying a small amount of Bitcoin at a Pennsylvania Walmart on October 2nd. It is a pilot. It is not like rolled out officially all across the nation. It is a pilot, so they're going to be testing this out, seeing how customers like it, if they're getting any usage out of it. You'll be able to use cash to purchase Bitcoin. So essentially, after inserting bills into the machine, a paper voucher is then issued. The next step involves setting up a CoinMe account and passing your KYC to check, and that's know your customer. You got to pass that whole know your customer security wall. And then after that, your voucher can be redeemed. So the machine charges a 4% fee for the Bitcoin option, plus another 7% cash exchange fee, according to Coinstar website and verified by CoinDesk. That is insane. That is a lot of money. I've seen over the years many Bitcoin ATMs really get people. I suggest you don't use Bitcoin ATM. It is really highway robbery. It shouldn't even be allowed the way these fees are. And the way they do it is you got to watch, like it'll say the fee is 4% or whatever, 3%. 3% is normal, right? You see a 3% fee on non-network ATMs if you're using your debit card. However, what they get you on and how they get you is the spot price in which you're buying Bitcoin is usually like 10% higher than where we are in Bitcoin today. So you got to pay attention to that. Check your phone, look at what the price of Bitcoin, the spot price of Bitcoin is on your phone in whatever app you use, and then compare it to what the ATM is showing you. That's the gap. They're making a killing off of that plus fees. So you have to make sure you pay attention to that. That will get you every time. Now, again, last month, there was a hoax article that came out saying that Walmart was going to start accepting Litecoin as payment. This time, the Bitcoin Bentonville connection is real. A source with knowledge of the pilot said the Litecoin debacle had put Walmart off from issuing a press release. So that's crazy. So this is nothing new for Coinstar, right? They've been accepting or allowing you to buy Bitcoin for a while. It's just that they never had it in Walmart. So this is definitely a big news, I think, for those of us who are in cryptocurrencies. They have over 3,500 CoinMe Bitcoin ATMs around the country. Again, they're starting with 200 for Walmart. They first started this partnership, if you want to call it one, with CoinMe back in 2019. But the crown jewel is bringing Bitcoin purchases through the Coinstar machines to Walmart. All right, 200 of them starting out in this pilot, which is very small, seeing that Walmart has over 4,000, almost 5,000 stores worldwide. So this is interesting to see. Over the past 18 months, Digital Mint, which accounts for about 5% of all Bitcoin transactions, has rejected and returned $5 million in fraud victims. So we're going to see this become more and more of an issue. But my whole thing is, what are they trying to do here with this accepting or allowing individuals to buy Bitcoin at ATMs? Is it just that? Is it nothing more than that? I don't know. My thing is, really, it could be something even bigger than that. And what I mean by that is, you see, you have to do KYC, right? Anywhere in the United States that you want to purchase Bitcoin, you essentially have to do KYC. So what they're doing in conjunction with companies like Chainalysis, right? They use sophisticated algorithms and AI to track who owns what. Blockchain is perfect for tracking who owns what, especially if the onboarding requires you to do KYC. So with that being said, I think we're just setting ourselves up for a big ass surveillance network on Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts though in the comments below. I would love to hear what you have to say about that. All right. Is this a big surveillance data grab for Big Brother? We talked about this a little bit on BitBoy's show yesterday, but I definitely want to know what you think. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also comment with your 2 Satoshis in the section below. All right. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and that's my 2 Satoshis. I'm out of here. Ha! I ain't telling no lies.